Nokia has launched its new budget smartphone under C series in India called Nokia C21 Plus. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia C21 Plus supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 2.5D glass on the top, and it has a tall 20:1 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by octa-core Uni-SoC SE9863 chipset paired with IMG 8322 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Nokia C21 Plus supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera along with a 2MP depth sensor, and for selfies it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it is claimed to deliver up to 3 days of battery life on a single charge. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 under Go edition, and the company promises to offer 2 years of quarterly security updates. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.8 by 75.9 by 8.55mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia C21 Plus has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 10,299 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 11,299 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in warm grey and dark cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C21 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.